Welcome back to the Angst team's top 5 listings of 2020. What I'm doing here is going through our top 5 listings. Today we're at number 3. So number 3 comes to us from Washoe Valley, East Washoe Lake, 200 West Coyote Drive. What's happened there is in July I had some clients that came to me and wanted to buy a acre lot out there. So we purchased the lot, and due to unforeseen circumstances, they actually had to turn around 3 months later and sell it. And what we did to get them top dollar, we actually got them $32,000 more than they paid for it. And how we do that, and one of the things that makes us stand apart from our competition is I am a licensed FAA drone pilot. The majority of the listings, I would say 90% out there, the realtors just snap a shot from the ground and then walk up and take another picture from the ground, but it doesn't really show off the property. So what makes us stand apart, and you'll see in the video coming behind this is strictly my video that I did myself. We do aerial photography for it, and then also a cool 75-second video. So enjoy it. If you have any questions about your raw land and how we can help you, we're also very knowledgeable, since I'm an engineer for 20 years, about the process of getting approvals and looking into all the things that go into building a home. And we can help you with that if you're a buyer. So enjoy. If you have any questions about your raw land, give us a call in the office, 775-525-0309. And we'll see you back tomorrow for number 2. Take care.